welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I find well. I don't know about you. How you
Why?
doing?
Is anything the matter?
I dey come. Take.
What's this?
No money?
Money for what?
I got something I give you.
But he doesn't pay me directly. He pays me through the agency.
Maybe I start with this one. Madam Ebere, say make I beg you. Make you help am.
Help her do what?
Cook.
But I don't cook for her. She knows that.
She get emergency. She can't travel, go. So make I come beg. If you say she dey beg me, she want me down before. She make I beg you. Say make you beg. Say make you help am cook.
So, how did I come into the equation?
I beg she beg you now. You want me to sack am? If they pursue her, now that work she dey use feed her children. I beg. Make you help am, I beg.
I don't even know what Oga likes. So how am I going to cook for them?
But you sabi cook.
Of course.
Now anything wey sweet. No put too much oil. No slice the onions, so grind them. Anything wey sweet. You go like am.
Daniel, I don't know.
You go cook well. If small change remain, you can't show me love. You understand? The money too big.
Show you which love. If there is any change, I'll keep it for her.
Just.
Where is the key? Let me go inside.
Hey, we might bring key for you. No verse. My color, no the verse. No use anger enter kitchen, go spoil something. See that gas? Get as they take on am. No turn am too much, may no spoil.
Hey.
Good evening.
It's good about the evening. What are you doing? Huh? You're not my cook, so what are you doing
My
here?
name is Leah and
I don't care who you are. What are you doing here? Are you a thief? Who sent you? Daniel!
No! With all due respect, I am not a thief, sir. I'm your cleaner. I came in here and they said that the cook is not available, so I'm just trying to help out.
Get out of my house.
What?
I said get out!
Sir, I'm just...
I don't need your service anymore, so get out. Get out!
Okay, sir.
Daniel!
Excuse
Hey, my babe, which kind of waka be that? I swear, I just dey wake up now. Like, I'm just waking up now. I was so tired. I didn't even have time to go and shower or anything. I slept like that. I beg you, for how much fun? I beg, I'm not carrying me waka this kind of waka again. You won't kill me. I know. When? Babe, see, even I say we go talk later, beg. I want sleep back. My eye they turn me. I don't know. I want to go back to sleep like this. I'm so tired. My eye they turn me. I'll send it to you. Oh yeah, now, bye.
What's good, Marvin? I told you now. Yeah, I told you. I told you that this thing will get sorted out. You know, we are professionals in this field, my guy. Yes, things will get sorted out, and that's what it is. Of course now, of course now. I am on my way back to the office. Yeah. You know, easy. Yeah, I wanted to see her, you know, so I've been calling her, but there's no luck. Yeah, and I'm really surprised. I really want to talk to her, and then this is actually unlike of her. She's never out of service. Yeah, so Marvin? Marv? Marvin! What's up now? What's going on? What? I... How long has she been dating this guy? Huh? Marvin? So you knew about this? You knew about... God! For how long? Since when?
Sure you want to know that?
Are you serious right now, Marvin?
Fine.
Are you supposed to be telling me?
Fine. Last year.
Last year? You're my best friend. You're supposed to be telling me
you
this.
Okay, can you just chill? Listen, after you guys broke things up, or better still, after you broke things up with her, she told me she wanted to go on a solo trip to Morocco for her birthday, of which she did. That was where she met this guy she met at the hotel where she was lodged at.
Okay.
And things kicked off from there.
Okay.
And the rest is history.
And they simply joked, right?
What do you mean?
And then I'm sure they exchanged numbers. And then what? What next? They became best friends. And then what? And then they're freaking getting married?
Yo.
For real?
Okay. Come on, man. Can you not be a jerk about this? You've been this a million times over. Listen, she likes this guy. As a matter of fact, she loves this guy. Yo, K, you have to be a good friend and support her. You should be a friend to her, support her.
She is not getting married to him.
What do you mean you're not
That's not happening.
What do you mean you're not going to allow her to get married? Listen, she's going to get married to him and there's nothing you can do about it but suck it up. You can have life both ways.
She's not marrying him.
She is marrying
I am
him.
not going to allow it.
You're messing this up. Okay? You're not going to mess this up. What do you mean she's not getting married to him? What do you even want? You broke things up with her. Now you're saying she's not getting married to him. K!
Caden Jefferson speaking.
Of course, I know it's you, idiot. That's why I'm calling to know why you haven't hauled your ass to work yet. Get your ass.
Marvin, please.
You know, we have an
Please.
inspection with La Costa Hotel at 10:15 a.m. And that's exactly about 27 minutes.
I'll be there shortly.
You don't want to keep Miss Dennis waiting, do you?
Daniel!
Sir. Come on, sir.
See, I want you to tell that cook to get rid of that rubbish that you cooked. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And if I ever see her cook anything rubbish again, she's going to lose her job.
Sir, housekeeping.
Tell her I'll send her money. Okay? I'll send you money, you withdraw it, and then you keep it for her.
Sure, sir.
Huh?
Thank you, sir.
Open again.
Thank you, sir.
Now,
Welcome.
thank you. How are you?
I find well. I don't know about you. How you
Why?
doing?
Is anything the matter?
I dey come. Take.
What's this?
No money?
Money for what?
I got something I give you.
But he doesn't pay me directly. He pays me through the agency.
Maybe I start with this one. Madam Ebere, say make I beg you. Make you help am.
Help her do what?
Cook.
But I don't cook for her. She knows that.
She get emergency. She can't travel, go. So make I come beg. If you say she dey beg me, she want the dime before. She make I beg you. Say make you beg. Say make you help am cook. Abeg.
So, how did I come into the equation?
I beg she beg you now. You want me to sack am? If they pursue her now, that work she dey use feed her children. I beg. Make you help am. I beg.
I don't even know what Oga likes. So how am I going to cook for them?
But you sabi cook.
Of course.
Na anything wey sweet. No put too much oil. No slice the onions. So grind am. Anything wey sweet. You go like am.
Daniel, I don't know.
You go cook well. If small change remain, you can't show me love. You understand? The money too big.
Show you which love. If there is any change, I'll keep it for her.
Just.
Where is the key? Let me go inside.
Hey, we might bring key for you. No verse. My color, no dey vex. No use anger enter kitchen go spoil something. See that gas? Get as they take on am. No turn am too much, make no spoil. Who dey there? Oh, I dey come. My color. Welcome.
Thank you.
Wait now. Wait till I come.
Waiting I buy come.
Ah. So now this small thing now you buy. If say now for carry my hand go buy the thing, can't give you. Small thing where you go give person, you they do anyhow.
Must have been a sucker for you, right? I'm sorry about that. You know, this is what happens when you let a good woman walk out of your life. Your loss, my gain. No, good women are very hard to find these days.
Yeah, right.
Which is why I won't allow both of you be in the same space. We're trying to avoid spilling of blood and throwing of punches.
Yeah, exactly. True. Every man that loves his woman intensely would do such. And trust me, I won't take that risk with my woman either. So you're right, you asshole. I have a woman, the most beautiful woman in the entire world. So you do me a favor. Stop showing off your muscle. and focus on easy. Because one slip and me and my entire army will fuck you up.
Okay, so
Hey.
what are the boys talking about?
My love, how are you?
I'm good. I hope I'm not the subject of your gossip.
Not really, but Kay here just dropped the bomb on me.
What bomb?
You didn't tell me your bestie has a girlfriend.
What? Okay. You have a girlfriend? And you never told me about it. Like you hear this from me, your best friend. Are you serious?
Man, nigga.
Hey.
Since when did you have a girlfriend that I didn't know about?
Since when minding your own business is a virtue that you shouldn't easily lose, my brother. Anyways, easy. It's not everything that you know about me, at least not for the past few months. So anyways, congratulations on your engagement. I wish you a happy union. And may you stay happy. Oh, sure. Guys, I need to get going. I need to be with my woman. I don't want her to miss me too much. Hey, pretty. Hey.
Oh, please, just go.
All right.
I hope you're good.
Babe, you should sanitize your hand, okay?
Yes,
Let's just park. Let's go. Let me just get the bottles.
Hey.
Good evening.
It's good about the evening. What are you doing? Huh? You're not my cook, so what are you doing
My
here?
name is Leah and
I don't care who you are. What are you doing here? Are you a thief? Who sent you? Daniel!
No, with all due respect, I am not a thief, sir. I'm your cleaner. I came in here and they said that the cook is not available, so I'm just trying to help out.
Get out of my house.
What?
I said get out!
Sir, I'm just...
I don't need your service anymore, so get out. Get out!
Okay, sir.
Daniel!
Excuse me, sir.
Nonsense. Daniel!
I can't believe Kay is off the market. Mr. Casanova. Whoa! Do you believe that?
Well, it happened, so.
Do you think it's true?
What?
Kay, because I feel he's trying to do that to get me off his back. This whole girlfriend thing.
And why do you think he want to get you off his back?
Can't you see? I am trying to protect my territory.
Oh God, not again. Not again. I have told you several times that Kay and I have nothing to do with each other. Gosh, why don't you want to believe me?
Yet you have shagged him 6 ways to Sunday. Listen, it's not about him, okay? It's about you. You have feelings for him.
Good, I'm not going to do this with you. I'm not going to do this with you today. Never. I won't.
Leah, Leah, Leah. 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes with yes, sir, and sorry, sir, and everything would have been resolved. Why form strong, girl? As if you've never been insulted before. Even way too much than that. And God, do I need this job? I have to hold out somehow immediately after finals, and things aren't balanced yet. Oh God, what should I do? What? If you had gone and called the agency to put forward a complaint, that's the end of me. No, fingers crossed. Trust in your God, Leah.
Daniel! Daniel!
Sir!
Take. Keep this for that lady. She comes here, you give it to her, and do not let her into this house. Okay? You do otherwise and you lose your job. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what are you doing here, Easy?
Since when did you have a girlfriend I know nothing about?
Listen, I'm an adult, and I don't need permission from anyone to be in a relationship with anyone.
I am not anyone. Get that straight. I am your best friend, Kay.
Oh.
Yes.
Does that mean that I would need your permission to do anything? Huh? Is that why you're here? What about your lover, the one from Morocco?
You never liked Val.
Oh.
Yes. In fact, if you had a chance, you would have kicked him out the club.
Okay.
Kay, is this what this is all about?
Listen, Val is a business rival. Our company's rival. What were you thinking? Huh? What were you thinking? You should have done better with him.
If you had given me the chance, I should have done better. But you never did. So what do you expect me to do? What did you tell me? That I had no place in your life, in your heart, in your house. That's what you said to me. You went as far as even saying to me that, oh, you would prefer to be lonely than have a companion. You said that to me, Kay! You did!
People will change for the right reasons, wouldn't they? Hey. Come on.
You wanted to throw cash at me after kissing me, right? Only showing off yourself.
I was going to explain.
I don't blame you. It's because I forgot my drawing book at your place gave you the right to do what you did. Listen, I have called the agency and I'm no longer interested with all of this. Go out of my way.
Listen, just
leave me alone.
At least let me
Just
drop you at school.
No, don't drop me. I don't want you to
school. Listen, hey, let me drop you at school, okay? Just let me drop you at school, please. I beg you. Please, I beg you. Come on.
Babe, you have to see this. Babe.
Yeah?
Isn't this huge? Come on, barely 48 hours K dropped the bomb on us about his relationship. And now he has gone online to publicize this. Oh, no, check the caption. It's saying, the city finest finally got snagged by a mystery girl. Can you imagine? I thought Kay was really joking about this thing. I never knew he was serious. Aren't you happy for them?
Of course, I'm so happy. I'm thrilled. 1 second. Yes, come in.
For real. Wow. Kay.
Rumi, wake up! Wake up! What? Have you been to the internet today? What? Your gist is everywhere! God! Have you been online today? Oh God! Why are you hiding it?
Hiding what?
Oh my God! You didn't tell me you were dating Kenyan, a public figure! Jesus, I'm so proud of you! So tell me, how long have you guys been dating? Talk! I told my friends it was you. You were at the club, right?
What are you talking about? What are you saying?
Oh, God. We had a lot of things to just I'm coming. Congratulations! Oh my goodness.
What is this girl talking about? Oh my God! Oh my God.
Hey, yo, Kay.
What's up?
Stop playing with me, bro. Tell me the truth.
I told you. What else do you want me to say?
What do you mean, what else do I want you to say? Okay. Let's break this down. Let me really understand what you're talking about. So you're trying to tell me that you met a girl, you fell in love with this girl, and you've been dating her for the longest, but putting a lead on it. Yeah? Bruh, come on, bro. Stop playing with me. Okay, that sounds too cliche to be true. Man, we've been friends since we were kids. I've known you since, what? We grew up together, okay? We went to the same university, started our company together. If there is anybody that knows you more than you know yourself, it's me. Oh, easy.
No,
So
please.
stop playing.
Please.
Stop playing with me, brother.
Please. In this case, you guys know nothing. Yeah, because I didn't let you guys know.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, I see. Well, if that's the case, tell me, what's her name?
Excuse me?
I'm damn sure you heard what I said. Her name, bruv.
Leah. Yeah, that's her name, Leah. She's an architect. Architectural landscape, that's what she does. She's smart, she's pretty. Yeah, she's...
Wow. Not bad.
What? Delete the picture now.
Why?
I said delete the picture now.
And what difference does it make if I take it down now? What difference? It's everywhere already, so why is mine different? Huh?
What is it? What?
I don't know what it's called. These guys, the fans, the netizens, the journalists. I don't even have a privacy of my own. Just to go out there and get snacks, they were just hounding me as if they were camping there before.
But I've always told you to know the way you are dressed. Don't dress in such a way they will recognize you.
So what do you want me to do?
See, if you need anything, food, clothes, drinks, tell me. I can go out there and get those things for you. What?
But you never cared.
Me?
Yes, you. Ever since we got this place from the former occupants, we've never said a word to each other. And we've lived here for 2 years. So all of a sudden you're caring about me, you want to do things for me. I can't fathom it.
You too, you don't like keeping conversations with me. You don't like talking to me, so is it my fault? You know, you really got eyes for good things.
I know.
She's really beautiful.
I know.
Yeah. And you are every girl's dream in this city. Yeah.
You're whining me.
I don't know.
What are you doing here?
After getting the things you asked me, I saw him downstairs, so I brought him up.
Please take him out. I want to take care of myself.
I will leave instead. These are the things.
sorry. Get dressed. So we go to
I
my
am
car and
not
I just...
going anywhere with you. If you want to say anything, say it right here.
Listen to me. Yeah. I know I did wrong. Okay? I know that I put you on the spotlight unintentionally. Okay? But that is why I'm here, so we can rectify it. Come on, don't give me that look. Huh? See, if I really wanted to hurt you, one word to the netizens would do that without me asking too much. So you should actually be grateful that I didn't say anything to put you on the bad side of my fans.
Are you saying all of this to get at me?
Okay, abeg, no vex. Abeg, no vex for me, no pursue me, abeg. Na just out of joy, na im make me dey record am. Abeg, no vex. Abeg, na as I see two of una dey together dey, I come say make I no vex, abeg, no vex. If you pursue me na where I go go? I no get any other work. Na my girl cause am o. I no know say she go post am. I say make I just show am. So that me and Nande kwa make she, I no, abeg, no vex for me, abeg, sir. No vex, abeg. Madam, help me beg am na. Help me beg am. Abeg.
It's fine. It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Get up.
You,
Get up.
you forgive me.
Yes, but don't do it again.
I no go try am. I swear. I will go find my girl. Comot that. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Madam, thank you. No bad go do you for this life. No evil go see you. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me? You want me to play pretend? Your girlfriend? Are you out of your mind?
Why are you making it sound like being my girlfriend is such an abomination?
Have you taken out time to know who you are? The kind of reputation you put out as a public figure.
I give myself 100.
You see? That is the problem. You always think so highly of yourself that the people beside you eat dirt for food.
You don't know me. You don't know anything about me. Yeah. In fact, I don't look down on people. People look up to me. All right. I think you should even count yourself lucky. I mean, there are so many girls out there who snag this opportunity of wanting to be in my presence alone. So, and when I say girls, I mean literally all the girls in the city.
So why don't you take your proposition to them?
Because she's so us. She's so us. Okay? She saw us kiss. Okay? She saw when I kissed you. She was right there in front of us when I kissed you.
We didn't kiss. You forced your lips on me, okay? Not the difference.
I'm sorry. Bad choice of words. Okay? I mean, I cannot do this with anyone. Okay? Please. I mean... See, okay, Isabel knows about you. I told Marvin about you. I mean, like everyone in the city has seen the picture and everyone wants to get a glimpse of you. See, I'm sorry I threw you into all of this. Okay, I just need something out of this, something important. I know that you're a final year student, majoring in landscape architecture and aesthetics. And I know that you applied for internship in my company, Skyline Constructions.
All of this just to play your fake girlfriend?
Listen, I honestly, yeah, I am looking way beyond you being my fake girlfriend, okay? But for the meantime, let's start here, okay? I want to apologize. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you that night. You know, I'm sorry that I kissed you. And sorry for choosing words as you, you know. I know right now I sounded like I'm proud, you know, like I have pride. But I'm really sorry. I want to apologize. Okay, please. Please just forgive me. Okay, please. And I need you to help me.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
I wasn't expecting you this soon.
I'm back. And I can see that you're on your way out.
Yes.
As usual.
So today is one of my guys' birthday, so we're shutting down 360 Club.
Oh, wow.
You wanna come?
Oh, no, please. Go ahead and enjoy yourself.
Okay. You look happy. Your baby boy gave it to you the way you like it.
Ew, please.
What? Haven't you had the widest sex position with him?
Please. I worked an intern program with his company.
Oh,
and I did that on my own. Isn't it amazing?
It's so great. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank
But I
you.
know he helped you with it.
Well, anyhow, you want to see it. But the main point is I got an internship in my gym company.
That's nice. Hope saying they give you money. You know say no dogu. Odogu no be guy name. Hope say you dey cash out.
Well, what I have is more important, isn't it?
Anyways, me, I can't wait to be done with mine because I'm stressed already. Can't you see? But before then, catch her.
Bye.
Bye, babe.
Can't wait to be done with my own, as if she reads her book. Let's see how that magic will happen.
So what do you want me to do?
What do you mean, what do I want you to do? You are my PR. If you didn't do a good job, you should know that better.
And that is exactly what I'm doing. My job. You brought her into limelight, not me, so why are you trying to make it feel like I'm the problem?
Come on. And I want my out. I don't want to be bombarded like the first time. Take down those informations about her and publish the people like that.
Okay, the world already knows she's in a relationship. I just feel it would be so coward of me to take it down. I'm just only suggesting. That's it.
And I don't want that, Isabel. Aren't you listening?
Hey, how you doing? What's up? Don't worry, she's gonna do what you ask, okay? Okay, what's up? How you doing?
I'm good. Okay, how are you?
I'm good. Listen, love, not everyone likes to flaunt their babe the way I do. He has a reason why he's protecting his babe.
This is my business, okay? Just stay off from it. Do not get involved.
It's fine. But you're my girl. This is my house, and he's your friend. Just do it for him. He has a reason. So what do you think, Kay? We should, hang out like the one we did with Melvin when we were dating, right, love?
Like what?
Let's just hang out. It's just fine. We're gonna be your place. You're gonna host us. Melvin is gonna come with whoever is bringing. Why? I'm gonna bring my love to your place. Is that cool?
That's fine.
All right. Thank you. Enjoy.
I guess we'll talk later then.
Yes, please.
You've got to be kidding me. Why did you accept without discussing it with me first? I've got exams.
I know, but I couldn't refuse even if I wanted to. Besides, this would be a good time to pull the right strings.
If you like this girl, why don't you just go and talk to her? Why don't you win her over before she falls into the hands of your archenemy?
I'll pick you up tomorrow.
Okay. God. What's all this?
Hi, Rumi.
Hi.
You care for?
I don't want to eat. I'm fine.
Why? See, I'm eating from it. It's not poison.
No, I don't mean it that way. I'm okay. I don't want to eat.
I don't know. Each time I give you something, you reject it. Why? I don't know if it's the things I'm giving you or me.
Come on, don't be like that. Okay.
You like it?
This is nice. Where did you buy it from?
Down the road.
It's really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's small. Thank you.
Date? Like, date? And I'm not going to have my side hustle.
Well, you can't be working on the side when you have a capable boyfriend.
Why would I depend on you? I know you must have made your inquiries, but I think you're missing the big part. I don't depend on anybody. Whatever I have, I work for it. I provide for myself.
Okay, let's see how this goes. Any other thing?
10 million naira to be your girlfriend until she breaks up with her fiance. 10 million naira just to get her back. Why don't you go to her? Go ahead and tell her how you feel.
No. And you think that will make her run back into my arms?
Maybe.
You know what? Just settle in. You can read that later. Those people will be here anytime soon. Just make sure that you arrange your stuff and my together so it looks like we've been living here for a long time. And I'll be downstairs. When you're done, you come downstairs. I already ordered food from the restaurant.
There wouldn't be need for that. I'll just head down to the kitchen and cook. My job has already started.
Fair enough.
Tell you, bro.
See what we got here.
Oh, Melvin.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice to have you here. Kaden didn't think you'd be joining us tonight.
Oh, yeah?
But I'm glad you could make it.
Oh, thank you. And I came bearing gifts.
Oh, wow. That is so thoughtful of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. I would like to do an official introduction, even though you already know who I am. My name is Mary. I am this man's best friend. It's a pleasure to finally meet you, Leah.
Same here.
Although the internet and tabloids met you before I did.
Oh,
It's okay.
It's nothing. He would have done that sooner anyway.
Right?
Okay, that's enough.
Yo, really?
Okay.
Oh, wow.
I can see we all here.
Yes. Isabella.
Okay.
Isabella, good evening.
Good evening.
You're very much welcome.
Thank you so much.
I actually just got here.
I see. I can. You're Lee, right?
That I am. And you must be the girl musketeer, Isabel.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Same
And
here.
you must be the fiance.
Yeah, that's my fiance.
Yes, I am. It's good to see you.
And babe, take care of this when I come downstairs. We all would have dinner.
The woman of the house has spoken.
All right.
Make yourself comfortable.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Thank you. Thank you very much. That was good, brother. How you doing?
You care for wine? What do you care for?
You know my usual, bro.
Wine, water,
You know my usual now.
the usual.
Bruh. Okay.
keeping you?
Oh, I'm just trying to fix my belt.
Well, the guests are waiting. Food
What?
is getting cold.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll just quickly do this.
You need help?
I don't mind.
Sure. Is it tight enough?
Just this hole.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Turn around and look how beautiful you look. Um, shall we?
Yeah. Guys, I am so sorry for keeping you waiting for too long. Can we all move to the dining now, please?
Okay. Let's go with this if you don't mind. Thank you.
Thank you.
Where do I sit, sir? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Here.
So how does the wine taste?
Well,
Bitter.
well, I have to keep drinking to be sure.
I have a sweeter wine in my fridge.
Here, right?
Yeah?
Your dad was the one who taught you how to cook. Does it mean your mother was never in your life at all?
Babe.
What? I'm just asking an innocent question, please.
You don't need to say anything.
Oh, no.
No, babe. You don't need to say anything.
It's okay. It's just us here, right? It's not as if anyone here is a gossip. Yeah. My dad taught me how to cook. My mom was not in my life, but it's not like that. She left when I was 8. My dad said she fell out of love with him and moved upstate with a newfound love. So it's been my dad and I ever since. 4 years ago, after I got into school, I lost my dad. So it's just been me. Yeah.
Wow. That's so sad. I'm really sorry about that.
Oh, no, it's fine. I'm used to it.
Honestly, I am really so sorry about this. I had no idea. If you can please excuse me, I would want to go use the bedroom.
Oh, I'll show you.
Of course, you don't have to worry about that. I know my way around. This is case hours, you know.
Food.
I thought you would ever say. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
You're not supposed to be in here. You were to use the guest room.
You know, I'm really sorry, honestly, about the questions Easy asks during dinner. Please, apologies.
Please, that's been settled, okay? I just want to go clear the dining and I'll head home.
Yes, about that, I want to suggest that if you could leave, at least some of your clothes here. So maybe when you come around, you could have something to wear. You don't need to, carry a lot of bags around and all that, moving in and out and all, until we are able to achieve a goal.
Or you're afraid your girlfriend might barge in on you? It's fine. I'll do just that.
Sure. And you don't need to leave now. You can wait a while. It'll be awkward for me to, drop you off home immediately to left. So I know Marvin is my best friend, and I'm sure he's gonna call you and ask of me and ask if I'm doing, if I'm sleeping or something. I know him. So yeah, you just stay a while.
Well, 30 minutes max. I'll just use the opportunity and do the dishes.
Enough. I'm tired, okay? Just leave me alone. What is it? What is it? Why do you keep on bringing all this matter as if I what? I'm crazy. I saw it in your eyes. You didn't like the fact that two of them are together. Just look at you. And you don't even accept the fact that you still have feelings for him. Jesus Christ! Oh my goodness! Val, are you sure you're my fiancé? Because for someone who claims to love me, you're not just push me off to one guy just because the guy has one single love for me. Push you off. You will gladly put yourself in his arms. Yes, you will gladly do that. Rubbish. Do you even love me at all? Do you even have any single love for me? Or are you doing all this just to spite Kay? Is that what you're doing? What? Yes! You heard me correctly. Because ever since you engaged me, you've been acting up, acting so insecure. It's been Kay this, Kay that. What is it? I have told you that Kay and I are just friends and nothing more. A friend you will gladly open your legs for if he asks you to do that, right? Oh my goodness. I don't blame you. See, I am insecure because time and time all you keep saying is K this, K that. I don't even know where I stand with you. That's my problem. I don't know. And the annoying part is you don't want to accept the fact that I still have feelings for him. Yes! Then why the hell are you marrying me? I love you. I love you, God damn it. I do. And it hurts me so much that you don't even care. The one man you're busy loving doesn't even care about you. Damn it!
Hi.
What are you doing here?
Well, isn't it obvious to take you to the office?
Why would you want to do that? I already booked an Uber.
Oh, an Uber is not here yet. And you're less than an hour late for work. And let me tell you something about Moses, your assistant department head. Tackiness is not in his dictionary. Trust me. And today being your first day, I don't think you want to be on his bad side.
Okay.
All right.
Hello?
You left without telling me I was going to bring you home.
And have the office staff new gossip again? No, thank you.
Come on, that's not a gossip. Okay? We are together, that's the difference.
It is fake. Note the difference. Why are you even talking as if you're enjoying this? Okay, let's just say that this whole thing is geared towards the mission. But did you see how everyone at the office was staring at me? I wished for the ground to open and have me fall in.
Wow. Wow. That's a start, Leah. Come on. Seriously, am I really that bad that you don't want to be seen alone with me? In fact, there were people around. People were with us, weren't alone. See, I haven't been in any sort of relationship or something from when I founded the company, okay? No one knew or knows about Easy and I and all that. So I'm even surprised when that was directed to me.
Well, the difference is you're used to this publicity thing, and I'm not.
All right. Fair enough. How was your day at work?
Oh, God, don't even get me started. It was so tedious. I spent half of my day at the company's library analyzing previous works and references. And as if that is not enough, I have to use 3 different presentations and 7 reviews from previous work. Is that the way you people work around here?
Like what?
Like dogs, Jesus.
So that means obviously the working like dogs work, didn't they? So, have you had dinner? What are you gonna eat?
I just walked into my house. I want to rest a bit before looking for something to eat.
All right, good night and sweet dreams.
All right. Good night.
Okay, Jefferson, you're blushing. You're blushing. Stop blushing, man. Stop blushing. The food is ready, right? I'm on my way to pick it up. Okay. This is surprising. You calling me first?
Why are you panting?
I'm just coming back from the gym. Everything okay?
Not exactly.
Okay. What is it?
I'm doing this project, really small project, but I don't know how. I've discarded less than 7 papers. I don't know why I keep making mistakes. I might end up not having anything to submit tomorrow.
So, so what do you want to do?
I could really use your help.
Okay, so, how are we gonna do it? Can you come over here? That is if you don't mind. I mean, I know it's late, but...
At this point, I don't have a choice. I could really use your expertise.
Alright then. I will take a quick shower before you get here.
Alright, fine, thank you.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is the gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift.
You don't say
Hey,
that thing.
Jen. Oh, God.
You don't say that thing to me.
Kadian.
What?
Kadian, listen, I'm sorry, okay? He's your father. There's nothing I could have done. I couldn't have said no.
There was a lot for you to do. Okay? You could have just said no. You could have just stayed put and not listen to anyone. Or not do what anyone said. You are my girlfriend, and that is the role you are playing here and not a defaulting fiancé.
Well, maybe you should have explained the situation to me so I know how best to behave before my boyfriend's dad.
For your information, he is not my father.
I will shout it for the world to hear. Listen, I don't know what is going on between your father and yourself. But what you did there, the way you talked, you're not supposed to talk that way. He's your father and nothing changes that.
Coming from someone who estranged a mother out of a life. Huh? I am a little better than you. When was the last time you saw your mother? Katie.
You're a hopeless idiot.
You are hopeless! Katie. You are freaking hopeless! What's wrong with you? Leah.
No, it's okay, Marvin, please.
Leah.
It's fine,
Leah,
okay?
listen.
You see what just happened? I don't want to take it to heart, so it's fine.
Leah, I'm not trying to make excuses, okay? He is wrong. Totally wrong for talking to you like that. But please, just take it easy. I am sorry. Very sorry.
It's okay. I just want to go home.
Okay, just wait. Why don't I drive you home?
No, it's fine. I'll book an Uber.
Come on, Leah. It's late and it's not safe. Let me just drive you home, please. Please. Okay? Come on. Let me drive you home. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
See, on your way back home, inform me, okay?
Okay.
Because I don't want to be alone.
I will.
Okay. Who's there? Hi, Kaden.
Hey. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Smack your lips. Yeah, it's fine.
I am sorry about last time. Last night at my father's place. You were right. I shouldn't have talked to him that way, or to you. And I'm really sorry about the things that I said later.
It's fine. I've gotten over it.
No, you haven't. At least I know you a bit now to know that you are angry regardless. So you're just trying to put on a fake smile when we're at the office, when we go for occasions, when Easy is around me, when anyone else is around me.
You hurt me, Gideon.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You don't know me. You don't know the things I've been through, my mother.
And that is none of my business. Okay? But I shouldn't have nipped you there.
I won't involve myself with anything concerning you and your father. I don't want to ask questions either. Scars can bleed. I know that. But before you get me to a place like that, at least give me heads up. I'm not like you that has money to go for background checks.
Hey, about that, Leah,
Listen, I know, but you wouldn't have gotten into this without running some fact checks. Not everything you see is what it seems.
My apologies. I'm really sorry about everything. I didn't mean for this to happen.
I'm sorry too. I should have called you before getting into his car and heading to his house.
It's okay. It's fine.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So, you're going with me to my place, right? Just say yes.
Give me a few minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you mean months heading? I thought we were here for 6 months. Listen, baby, why are you changing your mind all of a sudden? I can't even agree on that.
What do you mean all of a sudden? Tell me. We are engaged, right?
Yes.
Aren't we? I'm the man of this relationship. I have the right to make the date for this wedding.
But we're two in this relationship. You can't just pull up a stump on me like that.
You know what? I'm calling off this engagement.
What do you mean by that? If you're joking, you better stop it now. I'm not playing with you. I'm not joking.
Listen, I don't have time for this, okay? It's either we're together in this or we're not.
Are you trying to threaten me?
I'm sick and tired of all this rubbish. All you do is think about Kay. I need to know where I stand, okay? Tell me where I stand. I'm tired of all of this.
Babe?
He just went upstairs. I guess it's best we'll leave him for now.
Leah, you need to go home now.
Huh?
Okay? I said you need to go home. Kay and I need to have some serious man-to-man discussion. And it's gonna get ugly. I don't want you here witnessing that ugliness. So please, go home. I'll call you when we're done. Go home.
Kay! Kay! Kay!
know what? Throwing tantrums won't get you anywhere. You hear me? And what the hell were you thinking acting the way you did in front of everyone? Huh? Did you even stop to think for a second how your girlfriend would feel about your actions? Katie! Huh? How the hell do you think Leah is going to feel knowing that the reason you acted the way you did was because your ex is getting married in 3 weeks' time? What the hell is wrong with this guy? Huh? Come on, bro. What is wrong? What is the problem? Have you forgotten that this girl is a human being? She has a heart. A heart, bro. She can get hurt too. You need to stop this man. What is wrong with you? Huh? Kay, come on, man. Get this into your skull. Get this over with. Listen to me. Easy is long gone. She is not coming back. She is gone. Like she is gone. Gone. She's not coming back. And you have a beautiful, good woman by your side. You don't want to mess this up. Trust me. What is wrong with you?
Why?
Why what?
She said it was going to be next year. What changed?
What are you talking about? What's changed? How the hell am I supposed to know that? They are engaged and they decided to get married earlier than planned. So what the hell is wrong with that, Kaden? Huh? God damn it, bro. That I'm sick of this shit. Wake up, bro. You need to wake up. God damn it.
What? What is it? You can talk to me. You've been pasting around here.
It's nothing.
It's something. You know you can talk to me about it. Anything.
Aren't you supposed to be going somewhere tonight?
I should be asking you that question. Are you not supposed to be with your man? You hardly come over here, so what are you doing here? See, you can talk to me. Anything.
Excuse me. Okay, forget about everything I said. I was only joking. But seriously, Kaden, 2 days, 2 whole days. No call from you, no text, no email. Please, can you just give us a sign that you're still alive? We are worried about you. I am worried. I also heard today at the office that it's your birthday, and for some reasons you don't like celebrating it. Marvin knows, but he will never tell me why you choose to ghost on this day every year. So I'll rule it out that you're still upset about Isabel's wedding. But please come back. Come home so this doesn't backfire on us. Why am I worried about this? I shouldn't be bothered. It's none of my business. Um, you know you're not supposed to bring me here, even though I'm not feeling well. You're supposed to be with your ex.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it.
A lot has been happening lately. And I decided to take some time off. I needed to be alone, spend some time alone. So that decision wasn't based on your sudden wedding date. No, honestly, I'm cool with it.
You're cool with this?
Yes, as long as you are happy, I'm cool.
Okay. You mean you're cool with me going ahead with the wedding?
Yeah.
Are you sure you really want me to do this? Nah. I know you so well. And I know you don't want this. Do you? I know how you feel for me. And I know you still feel some type of way for me. Listen, I don't even know why we break up with the way we did. I don't know. But that's all in the past now because now I'm trying to make things work. Right? If you had just told me to wait for you, I would have waited. Oh no, I did actually wait. Yes, I did. I waited for you. And those days I did wait were the most stormy days of my entire life. And that's the point where I met Val. You know, Val came into my life and I just had to use him to calm the storm in my life going on at the moment. At the point. I don't love Val. What I feel for you is entirely different from what I feel for Val. I love you.
See, easy, and we.
I know you're with her because you want to spite me. Listen. I'm not a baby, okay?
No, come on.
I am just too matured. Come on, stop it. Stop. Listen, I'm just way too matured. Okay, you want me to feel jealous? That's why you do what you do when you see me around. I understand all of that. I get it. Listen, okay. Let's just make this work. Okay? Let's just do this. I'm here. All you have to tell me is the magic word. And I would cancel the wedding. I would never proceed with the wedding. Because I feel so... I love you. Just tell me to my face that don't go ahead with the marriage and I would stop. Because I don't even love Val for 1 second. And if I proceed with the wedding, trust me, I'm going to regret it. Yes, I will. Yes, I know that eyes. You love me. These are the eyes that I see. And I know you feel some type of way for me. Yes, I know you feel. Just tell me the word that you love me and everything will be cancelled. Just say it, please. Say the word to me, baby. Come on. Tell me.
I'm happy for you.
Yes.
I am happy for you.
For what? For us? You mean, right? For us?
Your wedding date.
Huh? What wedding dates? Our wedding dates, you mean? Come on.
Hey,
Listen, Kay.
what are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. I just want you. And
Stop it.
What am I stopping? Kay, listen to me, Kay. Where are you going? So you want us to go upstairs? Do you want us to go upstairs, Kay? Where are you heading to, Kay?
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart.
Hey.
My man. Thanks, bro.
Yeah. Oh.
You good?
Give me 1 second.
Beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it.
Oh, I left my wine glass. Yeah, excuse me.
Okay, K.
Excuse me. Come here. Focus this down. Man. What?
You good? What's going on, man? What's up with you? You're not here, bro. What's happening? You're just zoned in and out.
I don't know. It's...
You know what? What is it? What's the problem? Talk to me. Come on. Let me guess. Leah, right? Come on, bro. What is it with Leah this time? Are you upset with the fact that she opted to go home by herself without you?
I'm just...
Come on, man. She's a big girl. She can take care of herself, bro.
I know. I'm not worried about her, okay?
Okay.
I know she's a strong girl.
Yeah? So what is it?
Can I could ask you a question?
Here we go. Sure.
Have you ever felt a feeling that you cannot explain before?
I don't understand you. What are you talking about?
I mean, like, that feeling where you feel at peace. Like, you feel comfortable at a particular space. Like you feel at home. You're not at home, literally, but then you actually feel at home.
There is only one simple, uncomplicated answer to this. That's love. That's what this is about, right? Wait. Are you having a problem with Leah because of Izzy's wedding?
I have not been completely honest with you.
Obviously.
Yeah, I have not been truthful.
Of course, you haven't. It's obvious. So tell me, what have you been lying about this time? Whoa.
Listen.
Whoa. Hey, yo, whoa, what? Why would you do that? Like, what the?
Come on, it wasn't pre-planned.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay, no, it was just an act.
Yeah?
It was just a game to get it back. That's all. Get it back to me. That's all.
What the hell, bro? So, bro, let me get this clear. So you admit you've been jealous all this while. Guy, come on, man. You went too far. You wouldn't have done that. You would have just told Izzy the truth and she would come back running into your arms. Why would you? Bro, you would have just told her.
I took time. I did a lot of thinking. I took time alone. And I just realized that she isn't there.
Who isn't there?
Easy. She's not here. Like, I take time to look at me, try to go deep into who I want to spend the rest of my life with. She isn't here, brother. Leo is. There's everything. You know, I can stop thinking about it. Like she's just messing me up right now, Marvin. I don't know.
Obviously, you are messed up. You are messed up. You know why? Bro, you are in love. You're in love. And for the first time, I can't even lie. I have to admit it. Love looks good on you.
How do you mean?
How do you mean by how do I mean? Are you blind? Can't you see?
What are you talking about? What do you mean? Bro,
ever since that girl came into your life, everything has changed for the better. Unlike you, the you where we know. You're now more approachable, now calm and collected, more reasonable. Come on, man. This girl has made some real significant changes in your life. I don't know what she did. I don't know what she's doing, but I swear to God, she has my blessing. She has my blessing to continue doing whatever it is she's doing to you. Because it looks good on you, brother.
So I wasn't approachable.
My God, what happened to you?
I was pregnant.
Oh my God. Was?
I got rid of it 2 days ago.
I'm sorry.
I went to visit him. I told him that I wanted to try something new. That was tired of clubbing, partying, drinking and all that. But he said I'm mad. I wanted to keep the baby, but not till when I went to the hospital. They said it was twin. I'm not even done taking care of myself. How will I take care of twin? How?
Does anyone else know about this? Your mom? Your friends?
Friends? Those ones are not my friends. They're just people I go out with. I can't tell my mom because she's going to have a heart attack. I can't. That's the main reason why I got rid of the baby.
It's okay. I'm happy that you're over him now. That is what's more important. Okay?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know I've treated you bad. I know I started talking to you because of your public figure boyfriend. Please forgive me. Please.
I know all of that. But it's okay. Like you said, everyone has their own problems. Unless they tell you about it.
I'm want you to know that Kaden loves you. He loves you so, so much. Please, just settle your differences with him. He's a good man. Please, I'm begging you. I'll be leaving now.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, stop crying.
Babe, what happened? You left my mom at the designer's place and you sent me a text to come here. What's the problem? What's going on now?
I told you we need to talk.
No, babe, what is it?
Yes, we need to. We deserve to know the truth. We really do.
You still love him? Yes, but I told you about... We talked about this thing now. I questioned you. You assured me you were over with him.
Yes, I thought I was over. Or rather, I tried purging him out of my mind with you, but...
You used me to get to him.
No, I never did. I used you to spite him, to make him want me back. What I never really knew was you were going to fall madly and deeply in love with me.
Yes, the love was real. You know, I didn't come up to you because I wanted to get information about Skyline, okay? I fell in love with you. I waited. Lizzie, I'm still going to wait.
Val, I will be lying to you if I tell you that I still love you. I'll be lying to this relationship if I tell you that I still have feelings for you. I'm sorry. I am.
Listen, I'm not asking for a perfect relationship.
And I do not want a broken relationship, Val. I don't want it. Listen, I am so sorry that I dragged you into this for long and made us go through hell. I'm sorry. Val, listen to me. You deserve better. You really do. You're a very good person. You know, someone once told me that I can still go ahead to get married to you. Because it was in my decision to do that. But you know, I thought about this. I thought about this deeply and I said to myself, if I continue with this marriage, everything is going to be broken. Yes. Val, you deserve better. Especially your family, because everyone is good. I don't want to mess this up for you. You deserve a whole lot of love in your life, and I cannot give you that. I swear I cannot. I don't love you. And I'm sorry that it took me this long to figure all of this truth. I'm so sorry. I'm really, really so sorry, Val. I'm sorry. You don't have to worry because I would tell your family, I would apologize to your family because this is on me and not on you. I am really so sorry. I am. You can have your ring. I'm sorry.
Isabel, just listen to me.
Okay.
Isabel. Isabel, just listen. Isabel, listen to me now.
The wedding is called off. And she's not here. for some reason and for someone who wanted to shoot a guy down with his eyes. You don't seem perturbed.
What am I supposed to do? Cry? Wail?
Go after the woman that you love. Bring her back. You have to be romantic. Jeez, Gideon. I know she must be devastated right now. Her fiancé too. You need to reach out to them.
And say what?
The igniting truth. You really love this girl, but you pushed her away. And when she wanted to move on, you were there, making her feel you were up for grabs. You can't be complacent about this. It doesn't say so much about someone who wants something so badly.
See, I am going to stop you right there. For starters, this was aimed at ruining their relationship and getting it back. There were cracks in the relationship, so technically, we are not the reason why that relationship ended. Okay, I had a conversation with her, and my answers are vivid. So we are not the reason.
I want to go pack my stuff. It has served its purpose. Are you alright?
Just a bit cranky. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm good. Yes. Let me get my stuff.
So you're not just going to stand there and say nothing, at least say something. I told you this thing. I told you something.
What?
So you tell me something.
What do you expect me to say?
Say something.
Say what? What?
Something.
You had a conversation with your woman. Like you literally had a conversation with your woman and you let her go.
No.
You let her go. You let her walk out of your house. You let her walk out of your life. So what am I supposed to say to you right now?
I never told her to go. Okay? See, what could I have done? All right? She said the game was over and then it was done and then she had to go and then she was right. So you expected me to hold her back?
You could have told her how you felt about her.
Bro, stop this thing.
You could have told her your feelings.
Stop. I'm talking to you.
You are an expert with women. You know these things. Am I even supposed to remind you?
Okay.
What is wrong with you?
Okay, exactly. I am an expert with women. That means that when I tell you that I am confused, then you should know that this means a lot.
Oh, you're confused now.
Okay? What I feel is something that I have never felt before. Okay? I have never felt this thing before. All right? All the women that I have been with, they practically throw themselves at me. Okay? So I know how that works, but this is different. I love this girl. Okay? I can't phantom, think about me staying away from her for a day.
There you have it. You've said it. Love. You love this girl. That's it. You know, I still don't understand what you're doing standing in front of me. What are you doing here? Get out of here, man. Okay. Nah, man. Finally, he has been able to get his head out of his ass.
God, what is wrong with me? Why am I bleeding so much for this? Leah, what are you doing? He's way out of your league. And he doesn't even have any sort of feelings for you. Get a hold of yourself. Hello?
I'm outside your gate.
Gideon?
Yes. Can we talk? I'm outside your gate.
Okay, I'll be right out.
Hey. Hey.
Did I forget something?
No, I mean, I didn't really check to find out because I've been racking my head ever since you walked out of my door, finding one good reason to come here and ask you to come back.
Come back? To where? Your house? I thought we were done.
Yes, of course we're done. Any stupid, silly games, we are done. But it's just that what I actually want to say is that I
Gideon.
know I can't concentrate. I can't think straight. Okay? Anytime I go into the corner in my house, all I see is you. You're in my eyes, you're in my blood, you're in my veins, you're in my heart, you're everywhere. I can't seem to shake you off. You know, I try to convince myself that this is just a passing phase. But no, anytime I try to forget about you, I can't. But I never want you. Because what is the essence of love if you can express that love to the one that you love?
Gideon, what? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to tell me?
I know that this game is ended between us. But what we share, this thing between us, I don't want it to end.
Why, Gideon? Why? You couldn't even stand my presence for a moment. Don't forget you initiated this because you wanted your ex back. And now she's out of the picture. You're left with this whole emotions you're feeling and you want to extend.
No, Leah, no. I don't need an extension. I don't. You know, I don't want an extension of the lies. No, I don't mean the lies. I mean the real one, Leah.
The real one?
Yeah.
I know you have your head all jumbled up, but don't forget we were pretending. And the woman you love
It's
is.
you, Leah.
Special, priceless,
I'm in love with you, Leah.
beautiful.
I fell in love with you. I am
Beautiful
madly
true
in love
love
with
from
you.
every heart.
I fell in love with you without even realizing it.
Perfect
I fell in love
before
with you through all the charade
sensation
of pretense.
now.
I fell in love with you and I want to stay. All
Infinity
what I'm trying to
love
say is
from
that I love
every
you,
heart.
Leah.
Love is a gift that every heart desires.
The other day,
It's beautiful and so
while I was in your house
magical when
sick,
true love finds you.
I
Love
walked in
is a
on your
gift
conversation.
that every
Not that
heart
I wanted to listen, but
desires.
I
Love
heard
comes to
everything she said.
those who deserve
She literally
it.
begged you. She
Love
asked
is a
you to
gift
come back to her,
that
and
every
And
heart desires.
you didn't end
It's beautiful
the
and so
eavesdropping.
magical when true love finds you.
You should have.
Love is a
You
gift
should have because I
that
told her I
every
couldn't.
heart
Or
desires.
maybe she found a way to figure it out. Easy. Stop it. Valentine loves you. okay? He loves you. I know that he has an intimidating look, but I see it in his eyes when he look at you. He's madly in love with you. So if you don't want to go down on this lane with him, I suggest maybe you just let him know.
And where is all of this coming from? Tell me. Are you trying to tell me that I'm not good enough for you? Is that what you mean?
No, of course not. You're perfect.
But not perfect enough to have you, right?
Come on, Easy.
Oh my God. Kay? Are you in love with this girl? Oh my God, Kay, don't tell me you're in love with this person. You don't even know her, Kay. Kay, you and I have known each other since we were kids. We've been friends. I am your best friend. This girl is just a stranger, and she came from a broken.
Come on, listen. I do not want to raise my voice at you, okay? You don't know her. You don't know her, and I would appreciate it if you don't talk about her in that manner. And see, I won't let you hurt her. Do you get that?
You know, I was quite hopeful about us. But as it is right now, I think your mind is already made up. So yes, I understand you. I think it's time for me to take my leave now.
And don't forget your back.
Kay? Kay, I was just only joking. I'm not leaving to anywhere, Kay! Kay!
I have known that for a while. But I wasn't sure. I mean, I couldn't really do anything about it. But everything that kept happening around me was reaffirming it. You know, I really love to be in my own space, you know, like my own corner, like stay alone, spend time alone, you know, enjoy myself alone. But with you, in it makes sense. My own world, my own existence made sense. And I want to take that leap of faith.
I was in denial too. So that makes the both of us.
Really?
Yeah. You have no idea how hard it was for me to hide his feelings from you and from everyone else.
When true love finds you, love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it. Love is a gift that every heart.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Man. What are you doing here?
Finally, my brother has been hit. Look at this. I love this. Listen, man, you asked me what I'm doing here.
Yeah.
I followed you, sir. Okay? I wanted to see how well you would deliver this speech. And my guy, you aced it.
Man.
I love this. Look at this. Look at hey, easy. Relax. I'm here now. Just calm down, okay?
All right, sure.
Look at this. I'm glad. I can see the love is mutual. I can see the love in your eyes. Yeah? And I can see the love in your eyes. Yeah? For the first time in my entire life, look at my guy smiling and whining so widely. Look at this. I love this.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Leah,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you for coming into this man's life. All right? Even though the first time was a lie, but still, thank you.
What? How did you know? Gideon.
Come on, he's my friend. You know, he was gonna find out.
Oh, Isabel is your friend. Does she know too?
You know what? Come on. Let's not talk about Isabel right now. Let's talk about us. Love is ours.
Yeah, it is.
Come here.
Look at you.
Are you jealous?
Me? Nah, far from that.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother.
Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Special, priceless, beautiful is the gift of true love to every heart. Perfect, peaceful, sensational is the gift of true love to every heart. Love is the gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those who deserve it. Love is a gift that every heart desires. It's beautiful and so magical when true love finds you. Love is a gift that every heart desires. Love comes to those